Are you a keen gardener wanting to get started with your seedlings as early as possible? Introducing the Easy Seedling Tunnel, a miniature version of our popular Easy Tunnels. Easy Seedling Tunnels offer all the benefits of an easy polytunnel, but are specifically designed to create an ideal environment for seed germination and seedling development. By providing a warm, moist and protected environment, you will increase the likelihood of your seeds germinating successfully. With Easy Seedling Tunnels, you no longer have to worry about birds or other pests interfering with your precious seeds. The tunnels act as a barrier, keeping marauders out and giving your seeds the safety they need to thrive. There are 3 tunnels in the pack, and setting them up is a breeze. The steel hoops are easily pushed into the ground, securing each tunnel firmly in place. For even better results, put the Easy Seedling Tunnels in place a few weeks before planting. This warms the soil, allowing you to plant earlier and helping your plants establish more quickly. Plus, it clears your greenhouse or windowsill sooner, making room for your next batch of plants. When your seedlings are established, simply remove the tunnels, fold them up neatly and store them in the original pack until you need them again. Don't let unpredictable conditions or unwanted pests spoil all your hard work. Another great design from Hacksnicks. Happy gardening!